Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Peace Marco and I don't even want to waste time in the whole intros and whatnot. I just want to get straight into the information that I know, and yeah, stay tuned. This is going to be a good one. AI. 2 letters, literally 2 letters. But these letters hold immense power, and this power could revolutionize our world or disrupt it at the same time. And in this video, I am inviting you on a journey that peels back the layers of this thing that we call technology. And if I must be honest, I believe I view technology differently when compared to many other people. I view it as one big treasure chest, and in this chest we have different gold coins with different values. And yeah, these coins are basically different kinds of technology, or to be precise, we are talking about AI, and these could be different models, and every coin has a different value, as I said, meaning that this technology is more powerful than the next. And these coins have two sides to them. They have a gold side, which has a bright future. Then if you flip the coin, the back of this coin is now black, which is the dark side of things. And many people do not cover the dark side of things. And in this video, I will open your eyes to what you guys are basically sleeping on. And it's unhealthy. You guys have to really get onto the program. Let's start with the promise of AI. Nowadays, we see incredible inventions from self-driving cars to advanced health diagnostics. And
artificial intelligence and wearable technologies are transforming the healthcare sector. It is offering innovative solutions to age-old traditions and challenges. AI is now going to help in the diagnosis and treatment of atopic dermatitis. Atopic dermatitis is a chronic skin condition that causes itching, inflammation, and sleep disturbances. Now, according to a new report from Global Data, AI can enhance the accuracy and consistency of diagnosing the disease, which has traditionally been subjective. By analyzing images of skin lesions, AI-powered systems can recognize patterns and determine the severity of flare-ups more reliably. This technology is expected to lead to earlier detection, better management, and improved patient outcomes. Healthcare analysts at Global Data noted that AI's ability to simulate human intelligence could transform healthcare, offering more precise diagnostics and personalized treatment options for patients with this challenging condition. And it's not just skin conditions. In cardiac care, wearable heart sound devices are helping in early diagnosis. Researchers from the City University of Hong Kong have developed non-invasive gadgets that monitor heart sounds continuously, offering critical data for diagnosing and treating cardiovascular diseases. Unlike traditional stethoscopes, these devices provide persistent tracking, potentially revolutionizing heart health management. While challenges like accuracy and comfort remain, experts believe the future of healthcare lies in embracing AI and wearable tech.
AI is kind of doing its thing right now, basically making the impossible possible. Like imagine a world where diseases are identified way before any symptoms appear, or even a world where road accidents are no longer a thing, which is incredible. But according to my understanding, with every achievement, something must be sacrificed. Success always comes with a price, and there are a lot of questions that need answering. Now let's talk about the flip side of a coin, the dark one that many people sleep on. And straight up, automation is replacing many jobs at crazy rates, actually. Now look at this massive list of jobs that automation is currently replacing. And the truth is, for every task that AI learns to do, a human loses a job. It's as simple as that. Although it's not all about unemployment or losing jobs, it's more about losing purpose. The real question is, how can we adapt to a world where machines can outperform us? The very same things that we created. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new posts. Leave a thumbs up on this video and let's get on with the video. By the way, the dark side of the coin runs even deeper. Many people don't know this, but AI thrives on data. Our data. Every click, every search, every private moment shared online fuels these algorithms. But the question is, who owns this data? Your data. And how is it being used? Like, privacy isn't just about hiding or keeping secrets. It's about control over your personal stuff as well. So when we give up our data, are we giving up chunks of our freedom as well? It's a good question. And get this, AI doesn't just mimic reality, it can manipulate it as well. Deepfake videos, fake news, and even AI generated propaganda could stir up confusion and even cause mistrust between people. Imagine living in a world where seeing is no longer believing. But you see, this is not all about misinformation. It's more about safeguarding what is true and what is false. We need to be able to tell between what is real and what is not real. And lately, with every new AI advancement, we see AI generated figures looking more and more human-like, which is concerning on so many levels. But despite all of its challenges, AI has immense potential. For example, it's already fighting wildfires, optimizing energy, and making education much more accessible to millions of people. And this is something that inspires me. Knowing that AI is not inherently good or bad, it is just a tool. And like any other tool out there, its impact and importance is determined by how we choose to use it. Like, come on now, the future of AI is not written in code. It's written by the choices that we choose to make today. But the question is, will we let AI control us, or will we guide it towards a better future or a better tomorrow? And I believe that this is a question that only we can give an answer to. Obviously, I'm not talking about you or me. I'm speaking about like big companies, like real professional people with like power who are real into this whole AI thing. But me and you, nah, we're not doing anything with AI, but we can use it, yes, but yeah, we're not developing anything. We just using it. If you like tech tips, tutorials, technology, and gadgets, just make sure you smash the subscribe button, leave a thumbs up on this video, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new posts. And click on this video or this one. I promise these are bangers. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.